of you would like to live up to your potential? Raise your hands. And how many of you would like to make the most out of your life? Awesome, thank you. And how many of you would like to be happier in your lives? Awesome, now people are raising hands. Thank you so much. As introduced, my name is Vikram, and I'll be touching upon this theme of positivity and its wonders in education. And I really appreciate that you're all here today, going through a lot of celebrations and feedback and listening to wonderful feedback speakers. And can we have a round of applause for your presence here in this auditorium now? Thank you. So what is it that you can expect from this session? Just one key message of my conversation with you is that where do you need to focus if you want to bring quality in your life? That will be the message that I'm going to share with you all. And since I'm going to be with you for some time, is it okay if I share a little bit about myself? Is that okay? Is that okay? All right. So one important part of my introduction which I would like to mention is that when I started my independent journey way back in 2013, very interesting journey, but there was a point when I felt stuck in my life. I was not progressing. And one thing that came to my understanding at that point of time was, if you are stuck in your life, the only thing that can help you to come out of that is learning. What is that? Learning. When I started learning once again and started implementing what I was learning, things started turning around once again. So, are you also ready to learn? You don't seem to be interested. Are you ready to learn? Let's set a level, what I call as level 10 energy. How many of you agree that learning requires energy? So can we demonstrate that energy? When I ask you, are you ready to learn? You have to respond at level 10. And if I'm not happy with your response, I'll tell you what number that I am perceiving it. So are you ready to learn? This is about 6. Are you ready to learn? This is about 8. You have done quite a good jump. Are you ready to learn? Let's do it the last time. Are you ready to learn? Give yourself a round of applause for that. Now let me also tell you one more thing. Even the applause can be at level 10. Can you give a level 10 applause? Great. So before I proceed into my presentation, do you want a bonus lesson? Do you want a bonus lesson? Oh, this is again going down to 2. Respond at level 10 whenever you're responding. Bonus lesson, are you interested? Awesome. The bonus lesson is, you have 2 choices in your life. I am sure you must have noticed the change in your responses, right? From 6 to 8 to whatever level, then we brought it to level 10. Similarly, the same thing happened with your applause. Now you have 2 choices. One choice is that someone keeps reminding you that you can do better than what you have done, or you remind yourself that you can do better than what you have done. Which choice would you like to make? Second one, right? That's what brings quality in life. And that's what I'm talking about today. Positivity and its wonders in education. But why do we want positivity in education? What's the purpose? The sole purpose of doing all this is winning the game of life.